In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with